more outside, let off slow, look, now turn it like more straight, less gas here, balance it out, now try it up. That's if you're looking a little late here. Push it out. Yep, pass it right here. Don't downshift, just hold the brake. Now look at the window, now turn it. So no gas. This is going to be your cool down lap. So stay left, off the gas. Head off. So put your foot in the windows here. And then we'll just have one car pass the jump so we'll let off the gas here. Good. Once we come back around, we got 7 more, okay? Okay. So lock those
Everything feels good, man.
Dude, you're cooking, man.
Oh, thanks.
How's the car feel?
Good. I feel like I got the brakes down now. So
yeah. It's just, it's a lot different compared to other cars, that's all.
Yeah.
But like I said, you drive other cars, you're comfortable with the track and everything. The only thing you did, so you're good. But it's a hell of a car, sis.
Yeah, I love it.
And now that the tires are starting to come in, right now that they got heat,
it actually, like the first lap, it pushed real bad. Like it had.
And the good thing that I've noticed is that you're doing pretty well. You're learning how to feather the throttle to the gear. Because I guess you gotta give up one to get the other, right? You get on this here, right? So you're learning how to modulate, so you can run it tight here. The only thing that you're doing a little wrong here is you're trying to stay a little too hard on the throttle, and you're basically trying to let the car go all the way out to the edge, just stay more middle, and then feather it and bring it back to the left here. Okay. Because a couple times you notice how you go all the way to the edge, you're running out of really do that, you're running out of real estate, you come back to the left and to the right. Exactly. That's the only thing.
And then this one here, do you want me to clip this rumble strip?
No. Just a little bit, as close as you can without running it over.
Okay.
Right to the left. Gas here. Now we're going to brake firm, downshift, one more. Now turn it in. Alright, 7 more, tight to the left, gas here, drag down to the left. Turn it in nice and smooth. Try to get that wheel straight there. There you go. Let go to the right, shift up there. Right off a little. Now you're pushing hard, baby. Yeah, straight cross, shift up there. Push down to the right, maintain more. Brake hard, down to hold the brake, let up, go turn in. Maintenance while you're going to get closer to the right. Right, stay wide. Look out the window, slow so the turn more tight. Squeeze the gas here, head out to the right. Just pay attention how you come in the three, that's all. Stay a little more to the wheel, so keep that wheel straight. Now give it gas. See what I mean? Yeah, I got it. There. It's a little tricky when you come on the outside because you still have a little wheel. That's all. There you go. A little bit more. Now shift up. Let off a little fender. Good. Nice. There you go. Squeeze it. Straight across. Back to the left side. Shift up. Let off. Go brake. Maintain bottom. Next one. Hard brake. Hard brake. Down still. Now release. Turn it here. Get ready to pass. A little closer to the right side. This side. Brake hard. Down still. Left side. Here. Hold the brake harder. Down still. Inside left, nice and tight here, good. Nice and tight here. Squeeze the gas here. A little tight here. Middle of the track, That helps you, right? That release, that's what it is. There you go, nice and tight. That one time I was like, that's a sick ass thing. A little bit throttle good now. Look at it. Right off a little feather, nice and tight. Start to give us more gas. Right side. Breathe in the pass to the right. Now brake hard. Down to hold the brake. Now turn it tight here. Good. Get a little closer to the right side. Good. Here, guys. Right there. Good, nice and tight all the way to the left hand side here. Good, squeeze the throttle here, and we're going to stay on the left hand side. Now release, look for it here, maintenance throttle here, good. A little tighter, wait for it, push down, now accelerate. Get it, yeah, release, but stay wide. Look out the window now, start to cut in the gas and turn in. There you go, nice and tight down on slow. Let up a little, maintain a little bit more now. Let the gas go. Get ready now, brake. I know. This is when it gets tricky for you, right? Because it's starting to get busy. Yeah. Good, get ready, start to give it some gas here. Left side. Pass right. Yeah, break good. Down shift. If we can get it by the tape, I get you a clean lap. Okay? Alright, there you go. Nice and tight here. Look out the window, slowly turn the wheel. Nice and tight here, good. Now head up, nice stop, nice stop, nice stop. Hold it, now release, look, now turn it in tight here, squeeze the gas here, a little tighter, now stay on the left side here, take it out. Good, now release, look, now turn it, main this one here on the left hand side. Main stuff, nice and smooth here. Now turn it, feather, nice and tight here, squeeze it, straight across. Give gas all the way. Harder on right side. Let off, turn it in, and squeeze it. A little closer to the right side. Stay wide, now release, look, now turn it in here. All the way tight by the paint. Squeeze it to the right. How was that, dude? Now we're going to do another pull now. We'll off the gas here. Off the gas. Little bit of brake. And then we're just going to cruise and come back off this next time, okay?
Alrighty, yep.
How was that, dude?
Love it. I think I gotta buy one. That's wild, man. That was looking
Dude, you fucking know how to wheel, dude.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
You're very smooth, especially when you pitched it a little sideways here.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh.
I saw you kind of go,
I was like, oh. I was like, but then I was like, oh, shit. Because I was like, oh, you see it. I was like, okay. I knew because that's what I was like, once I saw that, I was like, I got to get you a clean lap.
Yeah, I appreciate that. I really do.
I was like, oh, I was like, if we can get him on the Cayman, we're getting a clean lap. And I was like, because we were pushing hard.
I love it. Good. That was fucking rad.
That was good, dude. I actually had a lot of fun.
Good.
And now that you got a lot of good heat, right, we were able to push. You knew how to drive the S's good too.
Okay.
Hey, that was fun, man. You didn't let me down, man. Buckeye to Buckeye.
Let's go.
Alrighty, so straight through. I think we probably did about 54.
Nice. What gear do you want?
Yeah, start downshifting here. Downshift again. Good, yeah. And then once we come through here, once we make the right, that's why I want you to clutch in. Okay. Yeah, that was good, man. Buckeye to Buckeye, you didn't let me down, man. I'm proud of you.
Appreciate it.
Oh, wait, right?
Wild, man. These are kind of tight back here, though. Jeez.
So straightforward here. Clutch in now.
Yep.
And then hard right here. Okay. Nice and slow here. And then we'll let off that clutch. Yep. Right side of the front. Yeah. You can let off that clutch.
I'm trying my foot stuck underneath the...
Alright. Clutch in again. Yeah, straight down the wheel. That's good here. As you hold the clutch down, hold the neutral button, left paddle. Thank you. Let off the clutch pedal. Good job, dude.
Thank you.
That was rad. That was sick, dude. Yeah, you did.